Hey parents, welcome to the ultimate math adventure. Let's transform your living room into an exhilarating journey into the math world with your child. How about building a super tall skyscraper with those blocks and talking about different math skills as you go? Or sitting on your couch and getting in your spaceship and going into outer space to look at the geometric shapes all around. Or what if you got out those colorful markers and you worked those math problems out in some beautiful colors? Or just cozy up and talk all about the different math going on in your daily life. Let's bring math home from school into your living room. There's great ideas on mathwithkaren.com. Can't wait to see you there. And remember, math is the only subject that counts.